by the court in the matter of Arunima Paul, within bracket Supra, comma, the said issue ought not to be re-agitated all over again. Stop. Next. It has been submitted that the list of tainted candidates has already been published and steps are being taken to disclose the details of the said tainted candidates in terms of the order passed by the court. Stop. Paragraph. The matter is at a very preliminary stage. Stop. The for effective adjudication of the instant lists, comma, the parties ought to be given an opportunity to disclose their stand by way of an affidavit. Stop. The respondents may file their stand by way of a report supported by an affidavit. Stop. As an interim measure, now the court is only at this stage, Shuru Korun, at this stage, the court is considered. The court is considering as to whether any interim relief can be granted to the petitioners. Stop. The Honorable Supreme Court in Boishaki Bhattacharya within bracket Supra permitted the candidates not specifically tainted, permitted the candidates who participated in the 2016 recruitment process and who are not specifically tainted to be eligible to participate with appropriate age relaxation. Stop. It is an admitted fact that the Commission has not yet published any list of candidates not specifically tainted. The Honorable Division Bench in the matter of Arunima Pal also took note of the fact that it is the candidates not found to be specifically tainted who may be permitted to take part in the selection, in the fresh selection process with relaxation. Stop. In the absence of a list disclosing the names of candidates not specifically tainted, comma, the Commission possibly cannot restrict the age limit only to the candidates who have been found whose names do not appear in the list of tainted candidates published by the Commission. Stop. The candidates in the recruitment process of the year 2016 has now to be taken as two sets. One of the tainted ones whose candidature the Supreme Court has not approved of and has kept the tainted candidates specifically out of the selection process. And the rest, the untainted candidates, have been directed to participate in the recruitment process. Stop. The division bench in Orunima Paul was also of the same opinion that the untainted candidates be permitted to participate with age relaxation. Stop. It does not, none of the orders passed by the courts, either by the Honorable Supreme Court or the High Court, mention that the untainted candidates or the candidates not specifically tainted should be restricted only amongst the candidates who were given appointment. Stop. It may be the candidates who did not get appointment because the tainted candidates were put up in the list for the tainted candidates were provided appointment. Stop. Had the tainted candidates not been given appointment, many of the other candidates who are not specifically tainted could have got the job. Stop. The court time and again has reminded the Honorable Supreme Court time and again reminded that the High Court should be mindful of not allowing any of the tainted candidates to participate in the selection process. Stop. The same implies that any candidate who's not specifically tainted would be entitled to participate in the selection process. Stop. In view of the above, the court is of the prima facie opinion that at this stage, the commission ought to publish, not at this stage, the commission should immediately publish a list of candidates not specifically tainted so that they may take part in the fresh recruitment process if they choose to do so. Stop. The candidates who do not fall within the list, who do not fall in the list of tainted candidates, but are included in the list of the candidates not specifically tainted, be permitted to take part in the recruitment process with appropriate age relaxation. As the last date for filing the application form has been extended till 8th December 2025, the Commission shall take steps to publish the list prior thereto so as the candidates not specifically tainted can participate in the recruitment process with appropriate age relaxation. Stop. Let the matter appear in the list on 6th January 2026. When in January the other matter was fixed. 6th January? 6th January 2026. Prior thereto, the pleadings of the parties be concluded.
Just to I am praying for stay of operation of the order. affidavit of service and court fees, and another thing is that Orunima Pal matter is regarding Group C 9-10 matter. This is Group C, Group D. Kindly note that. And another thing is that I want to cite just one judgment. Although it is in compilation, because of the third party can.
1 minute. Affidavit of service ke record রাখবেন. Deficit court fees receipt দেওয়া আছে. This will be taken on record. Mr. Bandopadhyay has prayed for stay. ওটাকে রাখুন. Yes.
Orunima Pal matter is regarding 9-10. This matter is a non-teaching. Group C, Group D. Rule is separate. The challenge is by the separate
principles are same. Principles of law are same.
আরেকটা paragraph add up করুন. Specific contention of the respondents is that the rule pursuant to which recruitment was being conducted for assistant teachers in classes 9 and 10 and 11 and 12 was under challenge in Orunima Pal within bracket Supra. ঠিক আছে? Be it recorded that in the instant case, the rule which is under challenge is the West Bengal School Service Commission bracket open selection of persons for appointment to the posts of non-teaching staff bracket close rules, 2025. And though it has been asserted by the respondents that a similar rule was under challenge in the matter of Orunima Pal, but the court has noted that the Honorable Division Bench had specifically observed in more than one places that the rule is not under challenge per se, that the recruitment rules, 2025 per se is not under challenge. That's it.
Orunima Pal's rule is separate and this Group CD rule is separate. And the states of candidates is also separate.
Anything else?
Well, since this, apropos to the last submission being made after the order, what my submission was that the principle of law will apply equally to both the cases, number one. And number two, I have also indicated from the compilation filed by the commission that the rules were in fact in challenge, that is at page 122 of the...
That you assert that the rule is under challenge.
Yes.
The court has recorded that it is not under challenge.
Yes.
Now we go by the court's order. Yes. And Mr. Bandopadhyay, after the order is dictated in open court, the commission prays for stay of the same stuff paragraph as the court has considered such prayer and refusing to stay the order passed here and above. ঠিক আছে? পাঠাতে হবে।
But affidavit of service and court fees both.
Yes, that will be taken on record. এগুলোকে রাখবেন ভাই। Next matter, please.
Affidavit of service and court fees kept on record.
In the next matter?
Yes.
Item 8. Yes.
But this matter is also Group C, Group D, but in the same line of Polash Noskor with an extra prayer. What is that extra prayer and why? Prayer Polash Noskor I already handed over, my lord.
আচ্ছা, এর আগেরটাতে বোধহয় পলাশ নস্করটা আছে, ওটা দিন তো, ওটা কাজে লাগেনি। ওটা কাজে লাগেনি। না, মোটাটা না, একটা পাতলা অর্ডার, দুপাতার অর্ডার, ওটা না।
This compilation also your lordship keeps with your lordship.
একটু এইখানটা
ওই কম্পাইলেশনটা দিয়ে দিন, 15 থেকে মামলা করতে লাগবে।
এটা এখানে থাকুক, পরে ওটাকে চেম্বারে পাঠাবেন।
You know,
Yes.
my lord, in this line, my lord, I have a prayer. Although I challenge the rules in Polash Noskor matter also, in this matter also, my lord,
Is Polash Noskor pending?
yes, yes,
Yes, 6 January. 6
January.
January.
6 January, yes, my lord. But because of that, my lord, this 10 marks argument is going on, my lord. In the same line, rule is challenged, 5 marks is also challenged, that is given for the experience marks. But in this matter, my lord, all the tented list and untented list is already Polash Noskor matter, my lord, pass that order, my lord. But my lord, one thing is that is not yet, my lord, published by the West Bengal Central School Service Commission, that is counseling wise list in the 2016 selection process. Why it is required?
Not in the prayers.
There is specific prayer.
No, there is no interim prayer with regard to that.
Yes, but prayer H is that, my lord. My lord, why?
There is final relief.
I'm
sorry.
Why submission?
Yes, I'm sorry.
Sir? Why that is required? Because of that, my lord, in Vivek Paria matter, Supreme Court says not even a single tented candidate slipped through the net, my lord. But kindly turn page number 130.
Was Polash Noskor challenged?
No, not yet, not yet. As per my information is subject to correction. My lord, kindly turn page number 130.
130?
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
There are 4, one after another, that is Central West Bengal Central School Service Commission, my lord, their chart, my lord. From that chart, it is evident when the panel expired, my lord. In 4 category, Group C, Group D, 9, 10, 11, 12. Some of the counseling, in case of just, my lord, in the instance of 11, 12, that is 5,712 posts. Publication of final vacancy. Thereafter, date of publication of final panel 27th November 2017. Panel validity for 1 year, that is ended on 27th November 2018. Thereafter, my lord, kindly see the date of first counseling 16/7/2018. Thereafter, second counseling.
All after the expiry of the panel.
Expect first and second. The third onwards.
Yes.
Third onwards, all are after expiry of the panel.
Yes, 19.
Yes.
All after.
And the very next page, same line. Very next page, Group C, Group D, in the same line. All after 2-3 counseling, my lord, all the counseling are after expiry of the panel. Now, my lord, I am placing the Supreme Court, my lord, judgment, my lord, para 30 and 31, which is annexed to my writ petition. Why I ask for this counseling wise list?
Page 130 is in respect of the Group C, Group D?
No, my lord. Page 130 is respect of 11, 12. Page 131.
This writ petition is about
Group C, Group D. At 132 and 133. I says it because of that combination. That judgment is combination of 4
Yes,
selection
yes.
process. That's why I annex the 4.
all right. But then 132 is Group C.
Yes, Group C, and 133 is a Group D.
All right.
So that's why I annex all these to showing that there is an expiry panel appointment, and Supreme Court take note of that, my lord.
All right.
I will place the Supreme Court judgment later on, my lord. So, my lord, in Group C, Group D also, that is happened, my lord. So, after panel, after expiry of the panel, there is the appointment, my lord. So, they ought to publish the counseling wise list, my lord. Until and unless they publish the counseling wise list, how could because Supreme Court Vivek Paria matter is that might be in public domain. Until and unless it is in public domain, how could a candidate or any citizen ascertain who are that tainted candidate after expiry of the panel?
Want in this matter, you want the publication of
Counseling wise panel.
Counseling wise.
Because before that, my lord, I just want to canvas that Supreme Court judgment, page number 98. what was the Supreme Court observation regarding this expiry of panel? It start from judgment, start from
All right, page 98.
page 67, page 98.
Only one sentence I should say. Since
Who are you now?
our lordship is hearing the point of the expiry of panel.
Yes.
Now, this law point might get affected in the hearing which is continuing. All I say, lordship may pass any order because lordship is in the midst of it.
I make
Because paragraph 31 has been shown.
no, I am not 31. I am on 30.
Absolutely no difficulty. But all I request your lordships that kindly hear us on the point of expiry of panel and thereafter. Because prior to that, my lord, any kind of, my lord, slightest comment, my lord, that's
See, this is what I was thinking, and I'm making myself clear so that they also get to know. There is an issue of stigmatization which was highlighted yesterday, that if the list of the tainted candidates is published,
that
then
is what
these
tainted-
candidates get stigmatized. So why not publish the list of the candidates not specifically tainted? So at least for the time being, they can avoid the stigma.
But that's absolutely fine. I say different. List of the not specifically tainted, absolutely fine. List of even tainted, absolutely fine. But list of the persons who are not tainted, but might become tainted if lordship holds that after expiry of panel, because they have been appointed, if that comes today, all I'm saying, kindly hold that part.
As of now, you are not in the tainted list.
I'm not in the tainted.
So if they publish a panel not specifically tainted, your name may go there.
There is no difficulty.
Thereafter, the court hears the matter
Yes, yes, yes.
and comes to a conclusion that the candidates who were given appointment after expiry of the panel will be treated as tainted, then your name will automatically go out from the list of the not specifically tainted.
Comes, there is a likelihood that if Mr. Mitro does not begin, it will come today. I would be able to, my lord, 100% show and satisfy your lordship. Out of 8 counselings, all the 7 counselings, those were found by the CBI itself, yes, after expiry. That's why it is illegal. But not tainted because of XYZ reasons recognized by the Honorable Supreme Court.
That
As and when it
yes.
Right.
But then your apprehension
Yes,
that if you fall,
yes.
will be taken care of.
But so far as the list of untainted, no apprehension, no problem. So far as the list of tainted, no apprehension. Only apprehension is
Presently untainted, later tainted. That is the apprehension.
no. I would not even use that. List of candidates appointed, not tainted, but after expiry.
Yes, this the court has to decide whether it will be within the tainted list or not.
My response in one sentence: it has been
Decided.
decided.
Very well. The court will see.
That's what I'm saying.
You'll get a turn and
Now, I place the
Say that since lordship is hearing, ultimately it's everything is, my lord, interconnected. So maybe I was little excited only for this reason, because once lordship
no, I have followed
understand, it would be extremely difficult.
and I understand.
That-
I understand your problem. Yes.
may I place. Because before that, because I'm learned senior friend, intervene in this matter.
No, it's
I just yes, I am not. I just say that I am not asking for that after expiry of panel. I am asking for the counseling wise that might be that they are absolutely fine, but I am not asking for
That's
the
absolutely fine.
yes. For that is the reconcilement. I am not asking for any expiry of the panel. My prayer is very restricted that counseling wise list. That's my point. The court might hold that
No,
yes,
so what is your prayer right now? You want the list of the
counseling wise,
panel as per the council.
counseling wise list. Because
Yes.
why I so kindly turn page number 98.
What is the primary challenge?
Primary challenge is rule, my lord. Rule 5 marks, 5 marks.
All right, that means the rules
that
itself.
means rules itself, my lord.
Right.
We call treatment,
Now-
and that tented list as well as not specifically tented
All
list,
right.
which is already covered by earlier order.
All right.
And
And you participated in the earlier recruitment process.
yes.
And
I participate in this selection process also.
yes.
But
Here you participate.
I want to participate, my lord.
Want to participate.
Yes. I want to participate, and there is no relaxation is required, my lord. I want to
You are
participate.
within age.
Yes, my lord. And but I that's my prayer, my lord.
All right.
And but the counseling I want, my lord, the counseling wise list. And before that, kindly turn page number 98, my lord. Why I placed it, my lord. Page number 98, para 30.
But then, if the rule is under challenge and we can decide that, why is this list of counseling required immediately at this stage?
Counseling wise list, if we because of that, my lord, if my lord hold it, suppose my lord hold it, that there might be opportunity. Two things might happen. One is that my lord might hold that yes, up to 8 round of counseling, everything is okay and fine. That is separate thing. If my lord hold it, that no, after 3rd round or after 4th round counseling, illegal or expiry of the panel, then my lord, that list is required.
All right.
So that purpose, my lord, that before expiry of the panel decided, this counseling wise list is required. That's my prayer, my lord. Because it will not harm anyone, my lord. It is a very innocuous one. Because of that, they already, my lord, hold it. They gave appointment. Counseling wise, they gave appointment, and they might publish it, my lord. Counseling wise. And not only that, my lord, on instruction, although yesterday night, my lord, I searched it, I did not get it. By on instruction, I say so the board can appraise this court. At that point of time, up to 2nd round of counseling, board in their website, West Bengal Board of Secondary Education, although yesterday night I gone through it, but I not get it. Up to 2nd round of counseling, board in their official website uploaded whoever got appointment up to 2nd round of counseling. Board in their official website, they published. But after 2nd round of counseling, they never published it. That's my instruction, but it may be wrong. But yesterday night, I gone through the board's website, I not get it. Might be they withdraw it.
Yes.
Can I make my submission?
Yes, certainly.
Will kindly come to page 131, which he has cited. 130.
Yes, 130.
Very misleading statement is being made by the repetitions. Page 130 is related to teaching and teaching staff. I mean class 9, 10, 11, 12. 131, 9, 10. Then 132, Group C. And Group C, kindly see, everything was done before expiration of the panel.
The last round is after expiry of the panel.
Wait, please wait.
You have said earlier after 2nd round.
That is regarding 9.
After 2nd round.
Yes.
Now, kindly see here, date of 4th counseling was 31st December 2018. Then number of vacancies so and so. Status of panel expired on 18 May 2019. Then before that. Then next one, 133 also, Group D. Date of 4th counseling was 31st December 2018. Status expired on 4th May 2019. However, his statement in the submissions of them, then let's start it. 130 is concerned. No, that will deal with in the teaching staff matter.
Yes.
That there was a stay of operation of the order, will deal with that. Therefore, whatever the submission is being made, that's totally to misguide this court, to mislead this only. There is number of matters it has been done. Anyway, now for the timing it is there. Now, secondly, Millard, what is his legal right to ask for all the types of counsel? one of the most unsuccessful person is disturbing the court, is disturbing us, that is also not appreciated.
Hmm.
This time he has filled up, anything is wrong, that's a different thing. But it cannot be opened like an ocean. Simply because 2025 rule has been challenged, 2016 you are asking, not asking. He didn't ask from the 2016 when the writ petitions have been moved, Group C, Group D. Everything, every prayer was there in the earlier petitions. I will show it to your lords, which has not been allowed. Now he is asking, he want to open like an ocean. Therefore, my lord, I will make a request that your lordships should not kindly do not pass any interim order. My lord, your lordships have said regarding the tainted list of the tainted. We have published it. We have published it, and somewhere we are publishing. I've said. So far, the untainted is concerned. Also, my lord, we have not specifically untainted. It's a term is being used by the learned councils. Supreme Court has never said about specifically tainted or tainted. Supreme Court has untainted, untainted. And untainted is restricted to only the persons who are in the employment. All benefits should go to them, not to anybody else. Those who are in the waiting list, CBI has not made any inquiry. Then they are kindly direct the CBI who are in the waiting list, whether their candidate will come for tainted or untainted. CBI has restricted his investigation only to the persons who were in employment. CBI has not crossed the limit, and who are the unlisted, waiting listed candidate, no investigation was made on their case. That doesn't mean it should be treated that they are untainted.
Lord, if your lordship kindly comes to page 36. Page 36 for the writ petition, my lord.
Yes.
The prayer my learned friend is relying on, prayer H, is a final relief that he has claimed on the basis of pleadings, my lord, which your lordship may accept finally or not. If your lordship kindly takes prayers K, L, and M, my lord, none of these prayers are related to any category-wise publication of any list. My lord, the foundation of his prayer today is some people may have been engaged, appointed after the expiry of panel, as I have understood, my lord, because he may have made submissions, but I have not found any foundation in the first list, second list, first counseling, second counseling, etc. Ultimately, the buck stops that the panel expired on so and so date. Some people may have been appointed after that date. Your lordship has already pronounced an order, my lord, in Polash Noskor, that is WPA 22580. No, Polash Noskor. Sorry. The Polash Noskor WPA number is not, I'm sorry, 24996 of 2025. That is 1st December. Your lordship will kindly take paragraph 10 thereof. Your lordship has already directed the commission that as regards the candidates who were given appointment after expiry of the panel, their details shall be produced before this court on the returnable date.
This is in respect of only 9 and 10, isn't it? 9, 10, 11, 12.
It is Group C, Group D. Kindly take
This is
paragraph
Group
1.
Oh,
Group C, Group D, your lordship has already directed the names to be produced before your lordship,
All right.
those who were appointed after. Therefore, my lord, if his claim, as my learned senior, my lord, appearing for the commission already submits, my lord, if his claim is pertaining to people engaged after the expiry of panel, my lord, his cause of action was of 2018 and 2019. Therefore, his cause of action is not related to promulgation of the rules which is under challenge. The mere promulgation of the rules does not give someone a right to challenge it.
Just to indicate two things, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, kindly turn page number 132, my lord. What learned senior friend, my lord, says that none of the in Group C, Group D category, none of the counseling is held after expiry of the panel. Entry 9, date of publication of final panel, 2012-2017. Panel expired on 2012-2018. Now, my lord,
18 May 2019.
Was it extended? Was the life of the panel extended?
never be.
Because page 132, the second
Entry never be. It never. That's there was argument for the and
all right,
and in each and every column they say so, and that was not accepted by the apex court. That is para 30 and 31.
The petitioners participated in the
My lord, a new argument has been made. Kindly see the rule. Earlier rule of 17. 17/2009.
The recruitment process for
My
appointment
lord,
as
my lord.
non-teaching staff. Stop. They challenge the
My lord, kindly see the rules.
bracket open
Once time I was there in the to extend.
for appointment to the posts of non-teaching staff bracket close rules comma 2025. Stop. The petitioners also pray for an interim order directing the commission to publish the list of the candidates called for counseling in the earlier selection process conducted by the commission in the year 2016. Stop. Paragraph. The matter will be decided upon exchange of affidavits. Stop. Released for further consideration on 14th January 2026. Stop. All pleadings must be concluded prior to the adjourned date. Stop. The interim order that the petitioner is praying is being refused at this stage.
Good. Grateful, Malad.
Service is taken on record and the deficit court fee is also taken on record. Yes, next.
Recruitment.
Malad 9 I am for the petitioner, Malad.
Malad E1909, I am for the state respondents led by Mr. Boyso, who is in virtual mode.
Malad, this is my application for a direction upon the board, my lord, for changing my name to Jagannath to Shubhojit, my lord. On the last occasion, your lordship directed the board to file a report. Considering my gazette notification, my lord.
I report your lordship. In copy, reported copy. এটা ফেরত দিয়ে দিলাম। Yes. What does the report say?
My lord, kindly. Let may I? My lord, the petitioner, my lord, kindly may I read from paragraph number 3 of the report, your lordship. The petitioner registered himself as Jagannath Mitra with board and passed Madhyamik in 1994. Thereafter, my lord, senior secondary in 2012. Thereafter, he obtained some degree from the primary teaching institution and thereafter joined as a primary teacher in 2017. Now, my lord, passed Madhyamik in 1994 and he came up, he obtained all his service and all his certificates in the name of Jagannath Mitra. Now, in 2020, he made an application for change of name. Now, my lord, what I want to highlight before your lordship, my lord, paragraph 4. I state that petitioner declared his changed name as Shubhojit Mitra from Jagannath Mitra and got notified the same through the Gazette of India dated 2020. The said notification states that changed my name and shall hereafter be known as Shubhojit Mitra. Malad, that is in the Gazette notification, Malad, I have that. So, Malad, hereafter, that is on and from 2020, January 2020, he will become Shubhojit Mitra. It has got no retrospective effect. When he registered and your lordship, when he was born, his birth certificate, it is Jagannath Mitra.
Yes.
Well, my only contention, my only submission is with lordship that board is an authority who only holds examination, parting examination in the state of West Bengal. Board is not the authority to change the name or identity of any person. Well, it is only civil court, my lord.
Malad, this issue has come up before the Honorable Supreme Court in various high courts, my lord. There are at least half a dozen judgments.
Please show.
Yes, my lord.
No.
What are the benefits that you want to obtain by changing your name?
Well, it is my fundamental right. If the changing of name is a fundamental right guaranteed under Article 19(1) and 21. So, my lord, this has been enunciated by Supreme Court also, various high courts also, and those were also the board denied and there was direction. Specific, if your lordship kindly comes to paragraph 171.
What you want, what is the benefit that you want to obtain? Are you retired or still in service?
In service, my lord.
You are still in service.
Still in service.
Oh, 46
Because the
years.
problem is this, my lord, I have changed all the PAN card, Aadhaar card, everything. From the next financial year, I cannot file the return also. My salary won't come. My salary would be coming in the old name, and my name has changed. Everything is there. So this is a predicament, my lord. For that,
Creating my service file.
the service file is there, my lord. Everything has to be changed. So after Gazette notification, after the public documents, as per Evidence Act, my lord, your lordship knows that the presumptive value of those documents. On the basis of that, everything has been done. Now the board cannot say on this flimsy and these grounds, flimsy grounds, that no, these are absolutely technical grounds they are saying.
No, my
And
submission is lordship.
exactly pat on the point, the judgments are there, my lord.
Madam, my
Your
submission
lordship
is
kindly comes to
change.
What submission? Which paragraph?
Your lordship will kindly come to paragraph 171, my lord.
Judgmental copy দিলে lordship
Reported, right?
না দিলে কি করে বুঝবো? আপনি কি দেখাচ্ছেন আমি
171.
Yes, my lord. 2021 7
একটা copy
SCC ওই 100 পাতা কি করে তো কত করবে 2021 volume 7 SCC page 535
বার কর না 530
5 para 171 Jigya Jadhav versus CBSE.
বের কর আছে না দেখ প্যারাগ্রাফ কত বললো
171 বলে
Which portion do you want to rely?
entire para 171 বলে
171 is a big paragraph. You say which portion?
বার করে দিন।
There are two categories in
There are
171.
two categories. One is correction and second is changing of name. The second part, my lord.
You want the second one,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
That means you acquire the name by choice.
Yes,
Right. In the latter category, it says
yes.
that the request may be entertained upon insisting for prior permission,
yes
declaration by the court of law.
yes
The affidavit we have done.
No, that is
Affidavit is
That's the declaration, my lord.
no.
Declaration before the first class.
Civil court. Before
Declaration-
civil court,
Are-
obtain an order from civil court.
Fresh certificate in other situations.
Yes,
We have sweared an affidavit before the first class magistrate. That's a declaration, my lord.
No.
Thereafter, gazette notification.
Listen, had you not been in service,
Yes.
this would not have mattered. Since you are in service, all your service benefits are related to your name, to your identity.
Yes, madam.
And in the midst of the service career, you just think of changing your name. And without
That's what-
thinking,
Subject to correction, madam. That's my right. I can change any time.
very well, you change your name, the court is not directing
No, no,
the
I'm-
authority. You change your name to whatever name you wish. It's your choice. It's your fundamental right.
Yes.
And the board is not there, or the Article 12 authorities are not there only to go on changing their records, only because you thought
Lord-
of adopting a new name.
Madam, not on that, madam. Your lordship will kindly
Well,
come
you
to
have
the
to file
later portion of
declaration
171, madam.
and obtain an order from the
Court.
civil court, and by that order, my lord, a direction upon the he has to get his birth certificate changed, and thereafter only board can change.
71,
171 lower portion.
I read it. I have expressed my mind as to how I read it.
Well,
Declaration by a court of law does not mean
Yes.
filing an affidavit.
Yes,
declaration subject to
When
correction.
declaration suit.
In an affidavit, you declare, yes, I such and such declare my father's name is such, my age is such, my address is such. This is not. Can that be treated to be a declaration? In that case, let the matter be heard.
Let it be heard,
Lordship,
my lord. I shall produce all the judgments, my lord. I have at least 7-8 judgments, my lord. I will show before your lordship. And even in 2025,
The point,
even in 2025, my lord, there is another judgment of the Jammu Kashmir High Court considering all these judgments.
please show.
একটু judge সাহেবকে দিন।
You handed over the most voluminous one.
Yes, that's
জম্মু হাইকোর্টে কি বললেন?
হ্যাঁ বলে দিচ্ছি।
2025 SCC online.
Online JNK
JK
937.
67.
2025.
Which portion?
My lord,
2025.
paragraph 14, paragraph 19. And if your lordship, my lord, if your lordship's desire is that we should have a proper declaration from the civil court, then your lordship will kindly grant us liberty so that we can get a declaration from the civil court and then approach.
That is the procedure of an obtained civil court.
লর্ড বললেন নিশ্চয়ই যাবো, কেন যাবো না, সব পড়েছি।
লিবার্টির দরকার নেই, নিজেই করতে হবে, জাস্ট লিবার্টি দেওয়ার কি আছে?
আমি জজ সাহেবের লিবার্টি নিয়ে করি।
খুঁজে পেলি? জাজমেন্টটা দেখে আসবো পরে। এসএসসি অনলাইন লিখেছিস? জীবনে খুঁজে পাবি না, এসএসসি অনলাইন লিখ। উফ, এখানে অনলাইনটা লিখ। আসবে না আমার এতে গিয়ে দেখ, আমাদের indiacanon.com এর হোক, ঢুকে এটা মেরে দেখ আসছে কিনা। indiacanon.com মেয়ে হয়ে যাচ্ছে, মেয়ে থেকে ছেলে হয়ে যাচ্ছে, যা খুশি হয়ে যাচ্ছে।
এইচসিসিটা নিয়ে আসলে ভালো হতো, এটা লাইভ লটা চলে এসছে তো।
এটা তো ছোট, এটা যেটা কত দিতে পারতেন আমাকে।
Paragraph 172, the Supreme Court exercised its plenary jurisdiction to pass this order.
But
So
that,
you have to keep this in mind.
but that has been followed by the High Court's, my lord.
Well, my only submission is, the lordship, I am not the competent authority to change the name or identity of a person, my lord. He has to, first, the lordship, admission in the register of the school and board has been done on basis of the
Check
birth
this order.
certificate.
Please
Lordship.
come. Report filed by the West Bengal Board, report on affidavit filed by the West Bengal Board of Secondary Education in court today is taken on record.
এটা লিখে দিতে, অর্ডারটা দেখে আসতে হবে, মামলা যে যাচ্ছে আবার ডেট দিচ্ছে।
The matter has to be decided. Stop. List on 9th January 2026. It will be open for the petitioner to file exception to the report prior to the adjourned date.
Right.
Take this back.
I'm grateful.
Jammu Kashmir, you've taken note of it?
Lordship, on 2025 SCC online. এই ওটা আমি দিয়ে দিলাম, জম্মু কাশ্মীর।
Of the other.
Yes, next.
কত 9 তার নাম কি? হ্যাঁ, নাম
I'm grateful, Lord.
থাকলো
নদর।
দিয়ে দিল।
11. 11 or 10?
Your Lordship,
10. Please come. 10.
this is in relation to Millard, a teacher Millard who was Millard convicted by a court of law, and Millard page 30 and 89. Your Lordship's last order, Millard, your Lordship was kind enough to direct the state authority Millard to file a report indicating that the admissible dues.
My lord,
As-
it's a report, my lord.
A given copy?
Yes, I'm serving, my lord.
Millard, my client,
To serve in advance, he doesn't get to know what is there in your report.
My lord,
What, are you supporting the petitioner?
my lord, area claim, what is the grievance of the petitioner, my lord, already
Allowed?
come to the para 3, my lord.
Yes. Give a copy, go through paragraph 3.
Yes, my lord.
Timely submitted the area claim and already been dispersed in favor of the petitioner on,
2017.
yes, my lord. And the
My lord,
bill number is submitted in.
My instruction, my lord, I have, my junior had a talk with, my lord, with the junior advocate record. She was instructed to submit that, my lord, that is in her specific instruction, my client did not receive this benefit. And number one, even if, my lord, assuming not admitting that his statement is correct, my lord, the admissible due, my lord, it ended in the year 2018. My lord, this was not admittedly released. And Provident Fund also, my lord, the government has no business to touch my Provident Fund unless because your lordship knows section 60 creates a bar, my lord,
Paid
of the CBC.
suspension allowance.
My lord, let them take the instruction
You
from
did
the.
not paginate this. Please put a page number. I can see
Yes, my lord.
the
My lord.
paid suspension allowance to the headmaster. And is it by cash? ECS it is. ECS payment.
Electronic.
Yes.
Yes,
it
my
must have-
client said, my lord, admitted due page 30 specifically states, my lord, till 2018. He worked.
Very
Number
well.
one.
This is
Twen-
only the suspension allowance till 17.
Yes,
For certain period till 17.
my client's instruction to the advocate on record, my lord,
Oh, not even till 17. It is from 1st June 2012 till 5th of July 2014, paid in 17. So, not the whole thing.
not the
What about the rest?
কথাটা শোনো
My
বলো।
lord,
Are there other bills also? After 14, did you pay anything?
my lord, kindly take the instruction, they kindly take the instruction from that line, my lord.
R1 says 16/2012 to 26/2012, 24/18, 2012 to 5/7, 2014. It comes around 2,43,157. And Miller, the next page also says, Miller, that is corroborated part 2. It says, Miller, ECS 2017, 2017, 2017. This is possibly the date of payment. This is also corroborated, Miller, 2,43,187. So this is, Miller, is corroborated by the previous one. So I think, Miller, my learned friend, esteemed friend, should take instruction because it is an incomplete one, Miller.
My lord, kindly take the
Government has
instruction,
always, Miller,
my lord.
taken this matter very serious, casually.
Senior, my lord,
Detailed report, Miller.
my lord.
Listen, your senior will not be able to improve the position. The documents that you have annexed goes to show that subsistence allowance has been paid till 5th of July 2014. The person has expired. No, he's there. Right. Now he has retired or attained the age of superannuation. According to the petitioner, service ended in 2018.
Yes,
So from 14 to 18, where is the subsistence allowance? Your report
kindly come
is...
back, kindly make it record, my lord, kindly, I will come back with the another instruction.
No, this has to be in consonance with your lordship's direction, Miller. Miller,
done
his-
in such peaceful manner.
it is employees' money, Miller. The government has no business to withhold it. It is a kind of an unjust enrichment, Miller. Government cannot take benefit
My
from
lord,
my
my
money.
learned senior will, my lord, doing this matter, my lord, in the point of,
My prayer is, Miller.
allow me to further, my lord.
My
instruction
prayer
with
is
learned
page
senior.
30, Miller. Your lordship has taken care of this. Interim prayer from to 14/8/12 to 18/4.
District Inspector of Schools, Secondary Education, Purva Mednipur, signed on 27th November 2025.
তোমার senior কোথায়?
11তে আটকে আছে, বলছি matter ওখানে।
Is taken on record.
পাশে করে
Stop.
পুজো-
Copy of the same has been handed over to the learned advocate representing the petitioner in court today. Stop. On a perusal of the report, it appears that subsistence allowance has been paid to the petitioner
my lord তো বলেই যাচ্ছি আমি। My lord,
with effect from 1st June 2012 to 5th July 2014.
আমার সামনে
The petitioner attained the age of superannuation
বলে যায়
in
যাওয়ার
the year 2018.
my lord,
Stop.
me and
There is no mention.
বলে যায়।
kindly, my lord, permit to leave, my lord. Oh, in next court, my lord, matter reached, my lord.
Your matter is going on here. Nobody is there.
No, my lord.
What is this?
No, my lord, paying apology, my apology.
Cannot be done. At least somebody should be here.
My lord, I'm paying apology, my lord, please, please, I interrupt, paying apology.
There is no mention with regard to the unpaid subsistence allowance. ঠিক আছে? The District Inspector of Schools, Secondary Education, Purva Mednipur is directed to file further report disclosing their stand with regard to the balance area payment receivable by the petitioner. The said report shall positively reach the learned advocate for the petitioner by 19th of December 2025. Stop. Release the matter for further consideration on 13th of January 2026.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
Well, kindly come to page 88 for once.
Page
88, the writ petition. There's an impugned order. The similar issue your lordship has already decided.
And for the state.
So this is a transfer matter.
Yes, whether when there are two vacancies available, this is the order. Your lordship passed this order.
Yes. Are you aware of this order?
No, not completely, my lord. I was just going
Check,
through.
check. Please check.
I have only one copy. I'm sorry. Soft copy.
You have a phone. Check up. 24806 2025.
I'm sending him. I'm sending him.
18th of November
sending.
2025.
আমার কাছে আছে তো ফোন থেকে দিয়ে দিই
Your rank is presently second in the first preferred school, third in the second preferred school, first in the third preferred school. Third preferred school, total enrollment 7,000. Please come.
ডাকতে হবে বাকিদেরকেও ডেকে ওটা
Commission was directed to revert with instruction as to whether the candidates.
I have sought for balance still date but I have not received.
Nothing. 17th of November.
Yes, my lord.
Nothing.
The selection process is going on. Everybody is busy in my lord interview and verification. পাঠিয়ে দিছি দেখো না অর্ডারটা পাঠিয়েছি disposed of.
The petitioner seeks transfer. Stop. The impugned order of the Commission dated 21st June 2023 mentions that her rank is presently at the second position in her first preferred school, comma, third position in the second preferred school, and first position in the third preferred school. Stop. The third preferred school has enrollment of 131 students with total 15 teachers, and no further recommendation can be generated based on the pupil teacher ratio of the school.
May I take your lordship's leave for 1
Yes.
minute?
The Commission is only left with the second and the third preferred school. Is left with the schools where the petitioner's rank is 2 and 3. Stop paragraph. The learned advocate for the Commission was directed to revert with instruction as to whether the candidates whose name appears in the first and second position in the 2 preferred schools by the petitioner are agreeable to join on transfer. Stop. The Commission has not been able to forward the instruction as sought for. Stuff. In view of the above, the commission is directed to grant an opportunity of hearing to the petitioner and the other candidates whose name appear at the top of the petitioner in the ranking list to ascertain as to whether they are interested to join the vacancy.
This is very difficult for one ascertaining.
Right?
Because one commission has to contact them, they have to call for.
Two candidates.
Yes.
Two candidates, they are wanting transfer.
Yes.
Commission has to act. Commission is, I will not act. Nobody can direct me to act. The law doesn't say so.
That is not. Well, let me clarify. Well, since
There is no reason.
suspended, well, we could not proceed. The actual procedure was the rank was
Actual procedure, normal procedure, abnormal procedure.
When the portal was on, the first rank candidate, he or she.
It has been decided by the division bench. Suspension of portal is no ground to be transferred. It cannot take the alibi today. It has been settled by the division bench.
Vacancy, ठीक है? If none is willing to join, then the petitioner may be recommended for joining in the schools preferred
Up to this
by
one,
her. ঠিক আছে? In the event the vacancies are not available, then the petitioner has to apply afresh for a fresh seeking transfer. Stop. A decision shall be taken by the commission at the earliest, but positively within a period of 12 weeks from the date of communication of this order. Stop. It is made clear that suspension of the Uchshosri portal will not be a ground for not processing and proceeding with the application for transfer that is pending at the end of the commission. Disposed.
Well, if I further, in case I apply, the state would be same. It will not be considered.
Other preferred schools will be there.
No, let them show preference to other schools to me as well. Why can't? Well, again, I have to come because Lordship has seen it will not considered by them.
Yes, next.
Item number.
For the petitioner. This is for extension of validity of recommendation in respect of upper primary selection process. This issue is covered by a division bench.
On behalf of Dr. Pati, engage before the division bench.
Where is the junior counsel?
She is assisting Dr. Patri in those
Kindly
matters.
speak just 1 minute.
In that case, please increase your panel so that others can also come. One matter is going in one court doesn't mean the other courts will not function. It cannot be done. Yes.
Just 1 minute, madam. Kindly see the last order once.
Yes.
Fast.
Yes, say what is it?
Yes, my lord. Then, my lord, it is the second round of litigation. My lord, what happened, my lord? Petitioner was a job loser in respect of first SList. My lord, their job has terminated 9th April. Parallelly, petitioner participated in upper primary selection process. Upper primary selection process counseling was going on in the terms of division bench order in November 2024, counseling. And accordingly, I participate the counseling. But at that time, I was working in the 9-10 level in a separate school. Then my lord, school has been allotted to me. Appointment letter has been issued. At that time, I was also working in a 9-10 level. That I chose not to join that school. Subsequently, 3rd April, my job has terminated. Then I made a prayer.
You want your recommendation
What
to
happened,
be
my lord?
extended.
As per rule, my lord, a recommendation in upper primary selection process is valid for 90 days. But in their discretion, they can extend further period of more 60 days, but 150 days it is allowed. But my lord, I made a representation before the authority within 150 days. So they can consider it. But at first round of litigation, Honorable Court directed.
All right, let Dr. Patro come.
Yes, my lord, and division bench, my lord, yesterday, my lord, one of my learned friends shows that there is a division bench judgment that job losing is a special circumstance. They should be accommodated. That is my contention. And my lord, another prayer, my lord, similar.
Let you make the submission in front of Dr.
My lord,
Patro.
a similar issue is pending before you let the heart the analogous similar issue. My lord.
Which item?
Yes, 83 to 96. My lord, your lordship.
Today's list.
Yes, today's list, 83 to 90.
And
Issue by that. One matter is here, Lord.
1 minute, similar issue, and is the other side, who is there?
Dr. Patra.
Dr. Patra in all the matters.
And my lord, also monthly is 1629 to 1632. That matter I have mentioned, your lordship.
1 minute, 83 to 96 and
1629, monthly is 1629 to 1632. Similar issue, my lord.
1632.
Yes, 1629. Kindly fix that any day. I will.
1 minute. Please take down the numbers. Today's list.
Yes, 1629 to 1632. All Dr. Patra is appearing.
Let him check.
Yes, yes.
Please see. All right.
Yes.
I'll make it not today.
Yes.
Let tomorrow.
Grateful.
এই নাম্বারগুলো একটু নোট রাখুন।
I'm checking for not today.
Item 13 not.
Yes, yes, not today.
All right, not today. Item 14.
I appear এটা সব কে ছিল মানে Antonu Mitro is appearing on behalf of the council.
Council.
High Secondary Council.
High Secondary Council. What is the issue?
Well, the issue is the reassessment of the answer script. Although, my lord, there is a, I know they are all judgment against us. My lord,
And appearing for the high secondary council led by Mr. Shantanu Kumar.
Yes. What is your submission?
Lordship,
let me, your lordship, kindly allow me.
re-evaluation of answer script is not permitted, Lordship.
All right. I'll take it up. It's already 1:15. I'll come and take it up.
Lordship.
2 p.m.
Yes.
or calculator.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
It's up to you.
No. Can it be possible for tomorrow?
Yes, I'll keep it tomorrow. Not today.
Rajkumar